What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your cart WAG to your rock cart off-road. We can also attach our cart WAG to our cart, and this allows us to carry bigger items and keep it all enclosed. For this setup, we're going to want to expand the cart all the way out, and again, to do that, you're going to loosen these knobs on the bottom of the cart. Once they're fully loosened, we can take each side of the cart and pull it out just like this. And you're gonna wanna pull it out all the way until you hear this clicking sound. Then be sure to tighten up these knobs to lock it in place. It may also help to engage the brakes for the cart so it doesn't slide around while you're attaching the bag. So now that our cart is fully expanded, we can attach the cart WAG. So we're gonna take each end of the bag and we're gonna look for these openings here on each side. Starting with the front end of the bag, we're just going to slide it through the front handle just a tiny little bit. Then we're gonna do the same exact thing with the other end of the bag. So just slide it on a tiny little bit to the other handle. And once it's settled just like this, we can bring each end all the way down so that it's completely on the cart. We also have these buckles here that help enclose the bag, so we can open these up while we're placing items inside. Then we can place our items right inside of this opening here. This can range anywhere from your speakers, speaker stands, lighting trees, etc. And once you have everything inside, you can buckle these straps back up, and you can even pull on these straps to keep it enclosed. Then to remove the cart WAG, you can just pull up on each side like this, fold it up, and then you can bring your cart back to normal size if you want, or leave it just like this. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your cart WAG to your rock cart off-road. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.